What's up guys, we are Holland Bambo and the place Blacker, no car can pass. Come in. Peeps, welcome to Holland Bambo. See, the whole of your stuff Blacker, but car still at the time at street to soak off. Meanwhile, them are going to clean up the stuff. You know, look too bad, you can see the long traffic of cars for a week. You know me? Yeah man, me there do some vlogging man.
Oh, that's you do?
Yes man.
That mean me know me
Well,
on CNN then.
Yeah, go see yourself
on
on it.
CNN man.
Yeah man, so what's your name man?
I'm Tony man.
Tony, alright,
Yes.
big up yourself here.
Take care my brother.
Alright, blessings brother Tony, cool. Yeah man. So guys, I want more followers that guys. We just meet up within a Holland Bambo. I don't know what the thing set, me don't want to say me too popular, you know, but you know what the thing comes up. Big up yourself Tony. The guys that Tony that they watch it on YouTube and them things there. You know if you turn back, so it look like the whole of down there so black out.
Yeah, them can't pass.
Yeah. So something like the bridge black out down there. So but guys, me have a right down to the end of it. And I'm gonna see what I go on. Alright, let's see here. Well guys, yeah, we almost reached to the end of where the place block off and thing, you see me? So they're showing you what I'm going to have a right down there. So general, down to block off. Bamboo them are, oh the bamboo them come right now.
Yeah man.
Wow, blessings here.
Yeah man.
Machine man down there clean up. So probably the end of the day then we probably
Yeah man,
clean up
they're
and get
free
through.
up man, they're free up guys. Them are going good so
Yeah
far.
man, alright, blessings. They've
Alright,
got to
cool.
take care of
Yeah
yourself.
man, alright, good bro.
Alright.
Yeah, one love.
So they are doing a little video still.
Yes.
So I'm going to go down there now and see exactly how down there look.
Yeah man. Yeah, it's up man right now it's time mash up on man.
Mash up, not
Yeah man, mash up on man.
Gotcha.
Yeah man. So you can't check it out man, right? It's body spot down more you know.
Alright then, so take care of yourself here.
Yeah man, that's it.
Alright, cool. Yeah. So yes guys, we are end it now. So no vehicle can't pass, so them are work their way down to the scrap. So yes guys, that's it. We are cutting here.